Hey there, English learners. I'm Robert. Today, we're using the simple present tense to talk about habitual actions.
Robert teaches English.
Please enjoy the following conversation, which includes mostly habitual actions in the simple present tense. Hey, what do you do for fun? I play the guitar. What about you? I kick things. What do you do for work? I teach English. And you? Oh, I sell hair. You sell hair? Yes, sir. Where do you get the hair? Well, some people just pull it out. It's a bad habit. Huh. Do you have any bad habits? Yeah, I have this one that's pretty bad. What is it? I eat grass when I'm nervous. Like grass on your lawn? Usually the neighbor's grass. Yeah, that's pretty bad. I know. I try to make up for it though. Every Sunday, I bring her cookies to apologize. Well, that's nice. By the way, can you come over tonight? We have game night on Fridays. Sorry, not tonight. I groom my turtles once a year, and tonight's the night. Okay then, maybe next time. So, you might have heard that habitual actions are things we do over and over again. I find that habitual actions are useful for talking about our hobbies, our habits, our scheduled routines, and what we do for work. As you probably know, hobbies are things we do for fun or to relax. For example, he plays video games or she makes tables. Here are a couple examples from the conversation. What do you do for fun? I play the guitar. What about you? I kick things. Habits, on the other hand, are things we do over and over again without thinking about very much. They can be good habits, for example, she exercises, or they can be bad habits, for example, he smokes cigarettes. Here are some examples from the conversation. Where do you get the hair? Well, some people just pull it out. It's a bad habit. Huh. Do you have any bad habits? Yeah, I have this one that's pretty bad. What is it? I eat grass when I'm nervous. Scheduled routines are the things that we do over and over again that we have planned. For example, I work Monday through Friday, or I go to art class every Saturday evening. Here are some examples from the conversation. Every Sunday, I bring her cookies. We have game night on Fridays. I groom my turtles once a year. Finally, we can use habitual action to talk about what we do for work. Here are some examples from the video. What do you do for work? I teach English. And you? Oh, I sell hair. So those are the 4 ways we use habitual actions that help me to remember what they are. Any questions? Yeah.
Hi, Robert. It only shows since every 5 years. Is this still habitual action?
That is a good question, and yes, even if you do something every 5 years, every 10 years, as long as it is happening consistently, we consider it a habitual action because it happens over and over again. Any more questions? Okay then. In the next video, I'll talk about how we can use the simple present tense to tell certain kinds of stories. As always, thank you for learning with me. You're doing a great job, and I believe in you. See you next time.
Sweet little baby minnow. Sweet little baby minnow. Sweet little baby minnow. Sweet little baby minnow. Sweet little baby Manu. Sweet little baby Manu.